Hi, and welcome to this writing class. I just want to welcome you to the course and let you know that there is a real person on the other side of all of the text that shows up on your screen. I'm excited that you're going to be taking this class, largely because I am excited to see what your ideas are about the world and how those ideas take shape and possibly change as we engage in discussion and as you have time to do a little bit of extra reading, learn more information, and compile that information with the ideas that you already have. I want you to know that my focus in this class is your success. I want you to be able to get the highest grade possible in this class without losing your mind because of all of the work. And I am here for you if you need strategies for managing the workload, overcoming writer's block, or being able to process the ideas that may be new to you this semester. Good luck with this class. Please never hesitate to reach out. If you call me, if you text me, if you email me, I will get back to you as soon as I get your message, and I will offer the most useful resources that I possibly can provide. You're paying a lot of money for this class, and it plays a big role in you accomplishing your future goals. And I want to help you get there the first time through. So please stay in touch and let me know what I can do to make sure that this class is as seamless as possible for you. Have a great term, and I hope you have a good experience in the class. My name is Laura Cruz, and I will be with you all the way through this term.